Alright, what else we got hidden down in here? Something heavy. It's like a toolbox. Ooh. Harley part. And some more parts. All kinds of good shit in here. Box out of my way. Alright, so that's a wide glide. Front brake. So this is the 66 and earlier, because it's left side brake. Actually, yeah, it's 68 and earlier, excuse me. 69 is when they changed. So this has the star hub on it, which is a 66 on back. 67 had the late star. So that would have been straight across. And when they had this kitty on here, it just been cut straight. So this makes this one a 66 on back. What are they claiming over here? Panhead, yeah, no shit. It's not a shovel head. Well, I guess it could be 1 year, 66. So other than that, they're pretty much all the same. So the early ones are going to have a casting. One in here says 49 in here. That's right there. The other one will be a 69. It's a mirror image of it. So instead of being on this side, it'll be on this side. So this one here's an early one. I don't see any brakes on it. Polish doesn't even look half bad. Still got the tube, the piece in there, so I might have all the guts for it still inside there. So that can be cleaned up and give it a quick buff job to make it halfway decent. You got a nice part. And you got the sleeve in here, which you probably don't want to come out. That's why it's in there. Yeah, it appears to be stuck in there. Yep, pretty tight. So to get that out, we're going to have to beat on it a little bit probably. So let's see what it takes to get that out of there. There's usually a reason why you got extra parts in your parts. They couldn't get them out. So we want to get this thing out of here. Now why is it not coming out? It could be swelled up or it could be just corroded in. And to me it looks like it's corroding. You can see there's a lot of water was in this thing. That's why it's all corroded. And see the outside's not, so that while we didn't have water, it had water sitting here like this. You got water in it, probably on a table or something. So it wasn't on the ground. And you can also see how the sleeve in here, way deep in there, is brown because it's rusty, because this got rusted into that. So we gotta have to pound that out. See what we gotta do to do that. We're gonna go over here and get some of our tools. So I'm gonna go over in my drawer right over here and dig out some tools. Tripod doesn't want to move. So we're gonna pick out something to use to try to get this out of here. So we got a couple options. We can go down or we can come out. We're probably going to try both. So, see if we can find something to go inside of here. We can beat on. Okay, that will go. I can beat on that with a hammer. The driver. So you've got a sleeve around that, so that'll hit on a little bit, but see it's on a taper, so it's going to want to try to spread it and span it, which we don't really want to do. Okay, that's one way. Okay, the other way is we're going to try to go the other direction with it. So we need something to go over the top of this that we can beat on with a hammer. So what do we got here we can use? That'll only go a little ways, but it'll move. And we got to put some kind of a tube over here to push on it that way. A little bit helps. But, we got some more tools. We'll be back.